Guys, and welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this glam look on my sister. As you can see, I've already done her brows off camera, and I'm just going in with this P. Louise base in number 5 to just base her eyelids before applying any eyeshadow. And once I have a thick coating, I'm just going in with a soft fluffy brush to just blend this onto her lids seamlessly. And then I'll be going in with the shade Chocolate from the Juvia Base palette. I think it's the Douce's palette, and I'll be applying that to the outer part of her eyelid area and just blending it in seamlessly. This is the chocolate shade. It's a kind of a brown or burgundy-ish shade, and I'm just packing on multiple layers, getting a thick coating, and then I'll just blend it onto her lids, as you can see me doing from this clip. Once I'm happy with how the first eye looks, I then went in and repeated the same process on the other eyelid. And once I'm happy, I then went in with the shade Lulu from the Hel-a-va Gorgeous palette, and I'll be applying that just above the red shade, and that will be the second layer of transition shade. So this is the shade Lulu, this nice yellow shade, and as you can see, I'm just blending it onto her eyelid areas and also bringing it into the red shade. And as I always say, I'm just applying multiple layers until I'm happy with the pigmentation before I proceed to blending it onto the lid area. Once I've done this, I then went in with the same red shade, and then I'll apply it below the yellow shade, and then blend both shades together to get a nice transition. So I'm just doing that now on this clip, blending both shades together before I proceed to cutting her crease. I didn't get that clip on camera. I think I misplaced it by accident. And then I'm just going in with this shade Glitter from the same palette and just applying it to the inner part of her eyelid area. And for the midsection, I'll be applying Lulu again, and then the chocolate shade at the outer parts of her eyes. And as you can see, when I'm working on the cut crease area, I'm not blending the shades. All I'm doing is just packing on multiple layers until I get the pigmentation that I want. And make sure you use the lightest concealer you can find to cut your crease, because the lighter the concealer, the more the shades will show. And from this clip, you can see I'm just applying the red shade at the outer part of her eyelids, and then I'll be going in with a glittery yellow eyeliner, and I'll just apply that just in the part where her eye creases. and then we'll be applying a black liner, and that will be the eyes. I've only done one eye on camera for this clip, and the other has been done off camera. I've also done the eyeliner off camera and her lashes off camera. I'm now going in with this Makeup Revolution matte primer to just prime my face, and then I'll be going in with my foundation mix, the Too Faced foundation in Spice Rum and the Fenty Beauty foundation in 410, and then I'll be blending this into her skin before I proceed to doing my highlight and contour routine. So now I'm just blending this foundation into her skin, and as you can see, I'm not doing a rubbing motion, I'm more doing a patting motion to just get it to rest smoothly on her face. As you can see from this clip, before I finished blending, it was absolutely gorgeous. Now for highlighting her face, I'll be using the Warm Honey Hel-a-va Per Concealer to just highlight her under eyes, her chin, her forehead, her nose bridge, her cupid's bow, and also her jawline area. And for the contour shade, I'll be going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C14. I'm just using a small blending brush, and this just gives you more control over where you want the concealers to sit on your face, and I'm just using that to blend in the lighter concealer. And then I'll be using another one of the same brushes to also blend out the contour shade, and you'll see me going in between both brushes to make sure that both concealers are blended together. Following this clip, the video will end because I accidentally deleted the clip where I was setting her face and also the clip where I was applying her lipstick combo. But I'll be leaving a video down below with how I do, which setting powders I use to set my contour and highlighting concealers. As you can see, I'm holding her face to make sure that I get precision in where I'm blending in the darker concealer, because this helps to just give you control over what you're doing. And as you can see, I had a little mess there, but I'll be going over it with the lighter concealer brush, and I'll just continue doing so until all the shades are blended together well. So now I'm just contouring her nose, and then I'll be using a small eyeshadow brush to just blend in this contour on her nose without messing up her eyeshadow. And as you can see, I went in back again with a bit more contour concealer on her cheekbone area, as I wanted it to be a bit more defined. Then blending the concealer on her nose bridge, and this will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Peace, love, bye.